Seven Seas Water Corporation utilizes the strength of our experienced and diverse team to provide the most dependable, affordable, and environmentally friendly water solutions to our municipal, private, and industrial clients throughout the Caribbean and Latin America. Seven Seas is sizable enough to effectively execute large projects, yet focused enough to meet our clients' needs 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
Seven Seas Water maintains a fleet of quick deploy containers, desalination containers, that we have two particular sizes that we focused on. One is 50,000 gallons a day, which is our smaller unit, and then 250,000 gallons a day. Customers and clients that we think are going to be interested in these are going to be construction sites, places that maybe do not have the infrastructure set in yet. Also in consideration of hurricane relief, of where we can get water to certain areas that may not have electricity, that we can run off generators and gensets. Could be golf courses that for seeding need high volumes of water. In the beginning, when they're getting going, this is also something a lot of times the infrastructure is not set up and we can bring water to the proper facilities in a very quick time. We have designed them not only to be quick deployment, but if they do choose to stay at the site for long term, they are built for long-term performance.
Led and managed by a team of professionals with over 200 years of combined experience in the water treatment industry, Seven Seas Water Corporation offers customized, expert water supply and management services, typically under a build, own, operate arrangement. Under the build, own, operate model, we design, build, and operate the facilities while our clients enjoy a guaranteed, dependable supply of water without upfront costs, risks, or worry, and we are compensated only for the water we produce.
In the Turks and Caicos Islands, we've had some great challenges in the way of expansion there with developments coming online. At Leeward Resort, Nikki Beach came online and we met the challenge of providing the extra water there. We doubled the capacity of our existing water plant, and we've also installed a wastewater treatment plant there. The wastewater treatment is the latest technology. It's a membrane bioreactor known as an MBR, and it takes up a lot smaller footprint than a standard aeration wastewater treatment plant. The water quality is excellent. It has no odor, no color, and it is excellent for landscape irrigation at a resort or residences. With the installation of the wastewater treatment plant and expanded RO plant, we can now provide worry-free, dependable, high-quality water that's affordable for local residents.
Seven Seas deploys the latest technologies in desalination and wastewater treatment. Our brackish and seawater RO plants produce potable water efficiently and reliably. The Seven Seas team also supplies high-purity water solutions for industrial users. Applying membrane bioreactors to treat wastewater, we can provide very high-quality processed water for irrigation and reuse. Each product is custom designed for the specific needs of our clients.
An MBR, or membrane bioreactor, allows you to put the wastewater directly on top of the membranes. This allows you to concentrate it and thereby reduce your footprint of your plant, all by giving you a very good water quality. This water quality has no odor, is less than 0.1 NTU in turbidity, and has no smell. You can reuse that water for irrigation purposes or, if you want, toilet flushing.
We operate in partnerships with municipalities throughout the Caribbean, combining more than 200 years of Caribbean desalination history with Seven Seas expertise, capital, and unrivaled team of professionals builds a synergy which creates the most affordable water treatment solutions possible. As a result, key members of the Seven Seas Water team were responsible for designing, building, and operating over 50 plants in the Caribbean, including the largest saltwater RO plant in the Western Hemisphere in Trinidad.
The island of St. Martin had a severe water shortage for several years, and in actual fact there's people who actually had to go to the grocery store and buy bottles of water just to be able to take a bath in. Our company was able to negotiate a contract with the island government of St. Martin to build a 1 million gallon per day seawater reverse osmosis plant in Kupakoy in the lowlands part of St. Martin. We were able to build that plant in 4.5 months, which is an amazingly short amount of time for this industry. In addition to that, we took over an existing facility that was about 3 million gallons a day, which was performing inefficiently. And we are upgrading that plant to make it much more efficient, which will reduce the cost of water to the government of St. Martin. And in addition to that, it will increase the overall capacity to 4.5 million gallons, which will be a plentiful supply of water and provide an adequate safety margin for the people of St. Martin.
The Build, Own, Operate model shifts all the risks and responsibilities associated with water plant ownership and operation from our clients to us. By leveraging our centralized management and workforce, bulk purchasing power, unrivaled experience, and the most efficient, reliable equipment available, 7 Seas Water Corporation is able to realize considerable savings, which we pass on to our clients. 7 Seas Water Corporation is based in Florida, with offices in the Virgin Islands, Turks and Caicos, the Netherlands Antilles, and the Bahamas. To meet client demands, we are rapidly expanding in the Caribbean and Latin America, with the newest office opening in Mexico by December of 2008. 7 Seas Water Corporation is solidly backed by $100 million in capital, provided by investors including Sir Richard Branson's Virgin Green Fund, leading cleantech investor Element Partners, Advent Morrow of Puerto Rico, and the $35 billion Texas Pacific Group. This financial backing has made us large enough to respond very quickly to clients' needs, while remaining flexible enough to focus on individual client goals. At 7 Seas Water Corporation, we look forward to providing your total water solution.